Have you ever been chased in a dream, but no matter how hard you try, your legs just won't move? It feels like running through thick mud or slow motion, and it's one of the strangest sensations you can experience while dreaming. This happens because during REM sleep, the stage when most dreaming occurs, your brain activates a safety mechanism called REM atonia. REM atonia, or REM sleep atonia, is the complete loss of muscle tone that occurs during rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. This temporarily paralyzes your muscles, so you don't physically act out your dreams and hurt yourself, since your brain is imagining movement, but your body is effectively turned off. It creates this weird disconnect that makes running feel slow, heavy, or impossible. Psychologists say the sensation often reflects feelings of anxiety, helplessness, or stress in real life. And interestingly, many cultures have interpreted these experiences as spiritual or supernatural, like being held down by a night demon. So next time you feel trapped in a dream, remember, it's your brain's way of keeping you safe, even if it feels frustrating. What's the strangest dream where you couldn't move? Share your story in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending dream mysteries.